Guys, do you remember if back when Google came out and Facebook started years ago, back in the early 2000s, if you would have just invested $100 with either one of those or both just before they went public, well, you'd be sitting a multi-millionaire this very day if you'd have done that. Well, in this video today, guys, I've got an opportunity with a brand new corporation, a brand new company that's getting ready to go public. And you have an opportunity today to get in on the ground floor of this particular company. And as a founder, and you don't even have to do anything. You don't have to recruit. You don't have to do anything unless you want to. But if you don't want to, you don't have to do anything, and your financial future is secured and will be very wealthy. So if that sounds interesting to you and you're interested to get in on the ground floor of something that's going to be huge, then you want to stick around and watch this whole video. We're going to get started on it here right now. First of all, like I like to do, for all of my new people, the new people that are watching my video, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, well, anytime during this video, just reach down there below and click that little subscribe button right there. And then don't forget to click that little notification bell that's right beside it so that you get notified when I upload new videos. Alrighty, well, that out of the way, let's go ahead. Also, anytime during the video that you're getting some value out of this and you like it, reach down there and crush that thumbs up button for me if you would too. I appreciate it, guys. Thanks. All right, let's go ahead and get started on this. This is a company right here that has been in the works for the last 3 years, guys, since about early 2019. And they are getting close to going public right now. Called OnPassive. It's called OnPassive. Yeah, that word passive means passive income. In other words, like I told you, with this company, when you get in as a founder, you're not even going to have to do anything if you don't want to. If you don't want to get other affiliates to sign up under you, you don't have to. Although if you did, it will certainly help you get to your financial goal a whole lot quicker, because you'll be helping the company, and the company's going to build your affiliates for you, so you don't have to do anything if you don't want to, and you're still going to end up very, very wealthy. Alrighty, that's the really cool thing about this. It's called OnPassive. It was created or started by a man named Mr. Ash Mufara right here in the United States, and they have 4 offices throughout the world, and I'll show those to you. One is really, really impressive here, one of their offices, guys. But what this company does is they are creating artificial intelligence business tools, and they do software as a service solutions for small business. And then they also do different things and all kinds of different tools. They have over 50 tools right now that businesses are going to use. And when this thing goes public, guys, they're expecting millions and millions of people to join as customers into this because of the artificial intelligence and the IT solutions they have for businesses. And they're really, some of the tools are really cool, which I'll show you a little bit here later. Now, I just joined this. Now, I think I've been told, but I don't know, that today, the 22nd of June of 2022, is the last day to get in on this. I'm not for sure, but that's what I've been hearing in the background about this, okay? But anyways, nonetheless, it talks about they have great security here. OnPassive is a leading AI, artificial intelligence development company. Secures your business's sensitive and regulated data, and it's our AI-driven frameworks that encrypt your data and so on. So they have top-notch security, full automation, solutions provider specializing in AI-powered software as a service products and applications as a one-stop automation solution. And they have its really high reliability, and you can see here that they're driving innovation through artificial intelligence. That artificial intelligence, guys, is the up-and-coming thing, such as, like robots and things like that you've seen probably. Artificial intelligence in business tools are an up-and-coming thing, and this particular company, OnPassive, has that market so far, and they are touted as going to be one of the greatest AI and IT companies in the internet. In fact, they say they're going to change the way the internet works. It's interesting. It's really interesting. It talks about here, this is a little bit down here, some of the tools they have. O Academy and O Create, O Shop, they start with O on their tools. And you can actually, people can actually build websites they're going to have. It's going to be amazing, the tools, and as a founder, you'll have access to those tools for free. Where customers that come on, when they go public, guys, with this company, when they go public, and the customers that come on, they're going to pay between $100 to $250 per month to be able to use these business tools in the world, and they are expecting multiple millions of people that are going to want to jump in on this and take advantage of these amazing artificial intelligence and IT tools for their businesses. They're even thinking that even Google and Facebook might even want to join up and use their tools as well. How awesome would that be? And that comes down, and they have some videos and stuff about it here, guys, that you can watch. This is on OnPassive.com. You see it right up here in the address bar right here. Yep, and this is the guy right here who's the CEO and the creator of this. His name is Ash Mufareh. He actually started it here in the United States. This is an American company here, and so on and so forth, and they have lots of things. And you can see right here, guys, there's some of their tools, their products right here, and there are over 50. These are not all of them, I don't think. There's still quite a few more that they're going to create down through here, and you can actually run a whole business right off of these artificial intelligence tools right here, guys. But if you look over here, you see their locations. They are located in the United States, down in Orlando, Florida. They're fully transparent, guys. They're always up front. They're always having webinars where you can talk with the CEO, Ash Mufareh, and everything. They're very transparent in this company. It's amazing. They have an office where their IT is at over in India, in Hyderabad, India. They have an office in Singapore, and look here, guys, even in Dubai right here. You see they're in the Burj Khalifa, the tallest building in the world, and look, they're up on the very top floor, the 134th. They have both the 134th and the 135th floor at the top of that building called the Burj Khalifa in downtown Dubai. Now, you have to be a big-time player to get in that building, I heard. Not just anybody can get an office in that building. You have to be a big-time business and a big-time player. Well, OnPassive is up in the very top of that, and there's a video about that you can see as well, such as right here, the world's highest office. Right here, guys, there's a little video about this, and you can watch it and have lots of other videos too. But how you're going to make money, though, is what you want to do is you want to come over, and I'll have this link down in the top of my description, guys, where you can come over to this page right here, and you can sign up as a founder today. And I'll show you here. It's just a one-time payment of $100, or $97 plus a $5 processing fee, which makes it $102. And that's all you pay. Look here, it talks about opportunities don't happen, you create them. Welcome to O Founders, a vision of the future of internet marketing. It says no more long work hours, no more less payments, no more unrewarding careers, no more job instability, no more unreliable work. It says the adjacent video briefly introduces this amazing marketing concept. And watch it and know how much interesting the concept is. And no doubt we've all been facing these issues throughout our life. However, it is time that we change our lives. Visionary Ash Mufareh shares this opportunity so that we can consistently earn more money. And the best part of the system is that if you are not happy, you get a 100% lifetime money-back guarantee, guys. And it says, why wait? Then go ahead and register. And you can click right here and become a founder in this company starting today, which I think I've heard, like I told you, I've heard that today is the last day. So you want to jump on this one real quick, because if you don't lock in your position and they stop taking founders, you'll be out, and then you're going to regret it and wish that you would have joined it, because a lot of people are, well, there's over 1 million already. I'll show you here in just a little bit. But put a full stop on the same old broken marketing methods. So much has changed. Instead, take advantage of this new technology. The founder's position is still open. The video below explains more about the founder's position and the benefits that come with it. And you can watch this video right here. It's only about 7 minutes long, guys, and it'll explain it to you. And it says, high time you start believing in the power of the internet. and that working from home can give you financial stability. Avail this unique opportunity to change your life and also of others. You need not be a tech-savvy person or be a marketing wizard to get going. Our strategy is to change your life for the better. The whole concept is unique and mind-blowing with its features, fairness, technology, and one-stop solution. It says here to make your life better with this fully legal, fully compliant marketing platform. Opt for this position now. You've got two choices. And right here is you can buy this position now at a 90% discounted rate costing only $97. Well, it's actually $102, guys. Like I told you, there's a $5 processing fee, and you can do it with your credit card, your debit card, or even Bitcoin. You can do it with cryptocurrency also. And it says right here, this is a one-time joining fee, and you get placed in the 1% on top of others. The founders are going to be on top of other people. But it says here, or else over here on number 2, it says if you can wait until the business launches and then buy this position for $997 in, and only if the positions are still available. If they still have any founders positions available at that time, guys, it'll cost almost $1,000 to get in at that point. So you want to get in now at this price point right here, guys, $97. And get in today, because like I said, I'm not sure whether today is the last day for founders or not, although that's what I've been hearing in the background on webinars and things like that, because they've been building this business, guys, for over 3 years now, and they are about ready to take this thing public, and it's going to be giant, just like Google and Facebook were back in the day. Alrighty, so now just spare 2 minutes for registering to this lifetime chance, and you just simply fill it out, make the payment through your preferred mode of payment, which is debit card, credit card, or Bitcoin, whichever of those 3 you want to use, and so on and so forth. And it says here, once you become a founder, you will have access to your dashboard where you will get regular updates from Mr. Mafara, and you'll be able to join the exclusive webinars and meetings where you can chat in real time with Mr. Mafara and other founders. And then it talks a little bit more about it, and so on and so forth. So, well, when you join and sign up as a founder, guys, you're going to get to come over, and here is the back office right here, and you can see that I'm already signed up. I'm already logged into my back office here, guys, and this is what you'll see right here. And as you can see right here, guys, look right here above my head, there's over 1,400,000. Well, that number's gone up even in the last half an hour since I logged into here. It was less than that. And there's now 1,447,754 total founders, people that signed up with that $97 to become a part of this amazing, amazing financial opportunity that is guaranteed. Now that word guarantee is because of what they say. They say it's guaranteed. So that's why I'm just repeating what they're saying. Guaranteed to be financially wealthy. So sometime down the road, or however, you can build your own. Now you have over here on the left, you have some of the tools right here, guys. The O-Mail, O-Network, O-Trim, Desk, Chat, Staff, and Tracker they're launching right now. And they have plenty of other tools, and all these will be free to you because you signed up as a founder. You have bonuses, and here are your affiliate links. You have all kinds of them. You got links, invitation, webinar links, presentation links, registration links, OnPassive links itself, guys. They're all over. There are hundreds of these links here that you can share as affiliate links and get people to sign up on your team, and that will help you reach your financial goal quicker. But like I said, you don't have to do anything, and you're still going to become very wealthy with this particular business vehicle that's getting ready to blow the world away right now. So you want to come over and get signed up, guys. You have a lot of different things here. Here's the OnPassive ebook. You can read the ebook. It's about 30 pages, and it'll tell you everything about the business and so on and so forth, and how it will affect you as a founder and make you very wealthy, even if you don't do anything. Okay, and then they have other downloads, and they got invitation, talks about, shows your team. They have a leaderboard, marketing campaigns, testimonial, frequently asked questions, connect, and you can get 24/7 support down here as well, guys. And then come back here to the dashboard, and this always pops up here when you come back to the dashboard from any of these other links. And you can see that they have, all kinds of things. They have webinars here, guys, that you can watch from these past, and they're updated all the time. They're always putting up different webinars every day, it seems like, guys, talking about this, where they're getting ready to launch publicly. It's getting excited. People's getting excited about this, guys. Well, look, you can see it right here. I told you right here. Today is the last day to become a founder. You see it right here in OnPassive, June 22nd, 2022. Well, guys, I just signed up myself here about yesterday it was, or a couple of days ago. Today's the last day, and I wanted to get this video up so you guys can get in on this on the ground floor as a founder, and you too can have the opportunity to make yourself a very wealthy person down the road here, starting when this company goes public. Alrighty, guys. Well, guys, I'm going to let you go with that. That's the video I had for you today. It's a powerful, it's a great and amazing thing, and you want to come over and jump in on that. Don't forget, I got that link for this page right here, guys. I got this link down in the top of my description there. Just click where it says become an OnPassive founder. Click here. You'll see it right there in the top of my description. And then come over and get involved in this, guys, and secure your financial future. Guys, if you like this video and got some value out of this, reach down there and crush that thumbs up button for me. Also, don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell and get subscribed to my channel. And then also, if you have any comments about this, leave them down below, and I'll get back with you on it as soon as I can. And also, if you want to learn high-ticket affiliate marketing, you want to click that link down there in the top of my description too, where it says mentorwithkev.com, and come over and watch a free video presentation that I have that'll show you how you can join thousands of others who are learning high-ticket affiliate marketing. Alrighty, guys. Well, guys, I'm going to let you go with that, and I'll see you again here in a couple of days or so with the next exciting money-making video. You guys take care. Don't forget to watch these videos up here. It will help you make money as well, too. Alrighty. See you guys later. Have a great day. Bye-bye now.